Hey, what's up guys? DekeRelaxShacks.com. Check out my book, my new one out now. We got a rescheduled workshop happening near Joshua Tree, 29 Palms near Joshua Tree in November. And this right here is one of the coolest sheds I have seen. I was driving by this. It is in Hanover, Massachusetts. I had to stop to check it out. It's spacious, it's kind of modern looking, it's tasteful. A lot of shed conversions for tiny houses I'm not so much a huge fan of. Some have been done fantastically, but there's a lot of horror story cases with them. This is one, however, that has a lot of potential. So here she is, and she definitely has curb appeal. Kind of a gable roof in there with the pergola, a little porch area for some outdoor living, which I love. And just the way this is staged from the road, it caught my eye as I was heading to the dentist, so I had to stop to film this. Nice high peak in the roof, architectural style shingles. It's just a place when you see it that is, it speaks to relaxation. I want to hang out here, I want to have a margarita, I want to grill on the deck. Everything looks quality. I mean, you see a lot of sheds that are just absolute garbage. All the details from the trim to the flashing on this just look really great. The columns are a nice touch. Little outdoor bar, serving, dining area is cool and very simple. Same with this little grill or storage area by the window there. Trex decking is a nice effect. I'm not a big fan of Trex synthetic decking, but it is long lasting and pretty clean looking. This is important because people will ask this in all these videos. There's a screen that wraps around so you can hang outside without getting eaten alive or risk getting the West Nile virus. There's always something to worry about these days if it isn't Lyme disease or COVID-19. Inside, I'm liking this already. Here's the company, by the way, just their website. But inside, you get the nice tongue and groove, almost like a rustic Maine-looking cabin. Let's see if I can give you guys the proper scope here. Oh, this is awesome. Look at how high the ceilings are here. So to that point right there, it's 8 feet. And I mean, you have another at least 6 feet in height there. A lot of space up here. We could pop a couch. And whatever, what have you. Weird little alcove. This is a pool cabana room. Changing room. I don't know if this would be like, I don't know what this would be. Probably just the shed portion of this. There's outlets, but this could be a good bathroom or a little kitchen space. Up here, sleep loft space. A lot of it. You could have this be the access to the landing, or probably put a ladder going up to here, or rail this in and have all that space for other stuff over here, the bed on one side. Again, the very high ceilings. Like the tongue and groove interior, you could put a ton more storage. Or another mini loft up here, but easily a lot of storage, cabinetry up there. Not that you want to cloud this up. Another room in here. Paint needs some touch up. But this is a display model, of course. Be a great office or a little bedroom. Easily. It's if you look at, easy way to tell with these, plywood sheets 8 feet, another 2 feet thereabouts. It's a 10-foot long room approximately, a little bit under that. An abundance of windows, airflow, light, something often lacking in tiny houses. I guess the one strike against these is the standard 36 doors are kind of out of scale with so small a space. Not terribly so, but that's why I like the custom smaller doors. The fault with the smaller doors is you can't get things in and out as easily. Another look at the floor layout so you guys can kind of dream and imagine what you might do in the space, and please leave your ideas in the comment because there probably are some good ideas out there that you might have. So 8 feet. This room's about 16 or 15 feet long and 8 feet wide. It's pretty narrow. You have a lot of space pad-wise wasted by this outdoor porch, but I think if you live somewhere where you could live outdoors more and use the outdoors as a living space, climate-wise, that would be key. So you don't feel like you're getting cooped up. You don't get cabin fever. That little cook bar area storage underneath that. And I'll give you the reverse view from over here. Pretty awesome. I would pop a window, a skylight in there. That's just neat. Open up that spot, put some light in there, pop a dormer even. Pretty cool.